10. Surprising psychology facts that will change the way you see the world. Hey everyone, welcome to the Smart Flicker. Today, we're diving into 10 psychology facts that will totally change the way you see the world. Some of these might surprise you, and others might even challenge everything you thought you knew about human behavior. So, let's get right into it. Fact 1. The power of mirror neurons. Did you know that just watching someone do something can actually make your brain react as if you were doing it yourself? It's called mirror neurons, a special type of brain cell that fires both when you do something and when you observe someone else doing it. That's why we can feel someone else's pain or even get goosebumps from seeing others experience something emotional. It's why empathy is so powerful. Fact 2. You can't trust your own memory. We all think we have perfect memories, but the truth is, your brain isn't as reliable as you think. Studies show that memories can be altered even by the smallest suggestion. This is why eyewitness testimonies in court can be so unreliable. Our brains don't store memories like a perfect videotape. Instead, they reconstruct them, and that reconstruction can be influenced by many factors. Fact 3. Cognitive dissonance and the inner conflict. Ever experienced that uneasy feeling when your beliefs don't match your actions? That's called cognitive dissonance. It happens when your mind holds two conflicting ideas, and the discomfort pushes you to either change your belief or justify your behavior. It's why people often stick with bad decisions or beliefs even when they know they should change. Fact 4. The halo effect, why we judge people based on first impressions. You know that feeling when you meet someone and they just seem nice? Well, that's the halo effect. It's the psychological phenomenon where your overall impression of a person influences how you feel about their specific traits. If someone looks friendly or attractive, you might assume they're also smart, kind, or trustworthy, even if you don't know them well. Fact 5. The placebo effect is real and powerful. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Your belief in a treatment can make it work, even if it's just a placebo. The placebo effect occurs when people experience real changes in their health simply because they believe they're receiving a treatment, even when it's inactive. This shows just how powerful our minds are in influencing our physical health. Fact 6. The power of smiling even when you don't feel like it. Did you know that just smiling can actually make you feel happier? It's true. The act of smiling, even when you're not in the best mood, can trigger positive emotions and release feel-good hormones like dopamine and serotonin. So, if you're feeling down, try smiling. It might just lift your mood. Fact 7. Your brain is wired to remember negative experiences more than positive ones. Have you ever noticed how negative events seem to stick with you longer than good ones? That's because our brains are wired to prioritize negative experiences. This is called the negativity bias. From an evolutionary standpoint, being more aware of threats helped our ancestors survive. Today, it still means we're more likely to remember insults than compliments. Fact 8. Groupthink and the dangers of conformity. Have you ever been in a group and felt pressure to agree with the majority, even if you didn't believe it was the best decision? That's called groupthink. It happens when the desire for harmony in a group leads to poor decisions. People tend to conform, even when it goes against their better judgment, just to avoid conflict or stand out. Fact 9. Your self-control might be limited. Self-control isn't endless. It's like a muscle that can get fatigued. Research shows that the more you use self-control during the day, the less you'll have left to resist temptations later on. That's why people often give in to cravings or make impulsive decisions after a long day of making tough choices. Fact 10. The illusion of choice, how our environment shapes us. Ever feel overwhelmed by the number of choices you have, especially when shopping? It turns out that the more options you have, the less likely you are to make a decision. This is called the paradox of choice. Our brains struggle when faced with too many options, which can lead to stress or even decision paralysis. Sometimes, fewer choices lead to greater satisfaction.
And there you have it, 10 surprising psychology facts that can totally change the way you see the world. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fascinating insights into the human mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.